Where's my lobster tail? Sorry. Scared you there, didn't I? My bad. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. We're in Collingwood, Ontario today with Gallivanting. And we're going to 1858 across the street here. Let me tell you a little zoom. 1858 Caesar Bar. My friend told us about it last year. We were here last year. Unfortunately, when we got here, they were already closed. Because, well, the light was still good. So today, it is, man, is it ever hot? It is about 39 degrees Celsius with the humidity. Oh, we got partner playing the piano with it. We're going to check him out. But it feels like 41, 42 degrees Celsius. Caesar, 1858 Caesar Bar. Yeah, let's go and check that out, yeah? Oh, look at that. They're hiring too. They're looking for awesome people.
Here, they're all like best sellers. On the other side, if you know what you're doing already, we've got our build your own menu. You can pick it from the rim to the spirit to what kind of spice level you want, and you can load it up like a bouquet with all the garnishes here. And anything on the top here is also customizable. You can like modify it if you don't want it too spicy, if you want to add anything extra. That's pretty much the gist of it.
Okay, and then you guys have like...
Check the old rotary phone, man. Damn, the phone number's still on it too. So the whole idea here is there's some of them. Are you recording me? Okay. The signature Caesars. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but we've got the bean, the Korean, the taco, the sake, the Aussie, the surf and turf, Oktoberfest, the Greek, the picante, pickle pepper, Captain Walker, Jamaican turf. Oh man, there's a lot going. Then on the other side, yo lady, there's a charcuterie board. On the other side is, the lady was explaining, I don't know if you guys heard of it, but you choose the rimmy one, the spirty one, sort of clam, the additive, how hot you want it to get, and the garnishes. Where then? Well, let's see what Chris is trying to figure out here now. Since the build your own menu is a little bit intimidating, I think what I'm going to stick with is the surf and turf here. But what I'm going to ask the young lady who's making it is, what do you call it? I'm lost for a word there because I'm looking at these ladies on the balcony here with their but instead of the vodka, I'm gonna ask them if they can make it with moonshine for me. So let's see what happens, all right? You got one for me, right? There's an upstairs seating area as well. So you walk in, you place your order here, and then they bring it to you where you can walk through and sit there and sit along the bar that I'm sitting here. And then there's a patio area out there as well too, where it's a bit too hot, man. It's insanely hot out there. So what's it called? Caesar Tini? Is that the insane lobster tail one?
Yeah, you want it?
I want it, man.
Oh my gosh. Look at that, eh? Yum.
Yeah. Cheers. Thanks, man.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. Boy, this is a meal here in its own, yeah? Wow. So I'm still working my way through this now. I'm no lover of celery, and I don't understand why they need to put celery in this thing here. But I'm sure there are people who like celery, right? But the lobster, the shrimp, yo, all the toppings is going to cheese with. Oh, I love that cheese, man. I'm still working my way through it. I'm seeing some olives down inside there, and I'm gonna go hijack that pretty soon, boy. So I took it apart. Did I already record this? I think I already recorded it, didn't I? Did I? Well, anyways, I don't need celery, so celery's not my thing.
Apparently you don't need it.
The lobster was, I didn't have it, but I was told it was overcooked. The shrimp was shrimp. Overall, not too bad. Is it worth $20? Well, I guess when you consider the ingredients, but as far as flavor goes, I'll be honest, it was a little bit bland. It was a little bit tart as well too. I found I didn't need maybe some salt or maybe a bit more Worcestershire or something like that. But it's a new concept though, building your own Caesar. I do like it. Between you and I, well, how much did you pay for yours? $11?
Mine was $10 with 2 shots, so.
More tasty, way more tasty. And we still trying to get at the olives down at the bottom down there. Well, we got to bounce out now. It's a lovely spot, as I said, beautiful view. The staff here are incredibly friendly, man. And fast service, constant flow of people. Well worth the effort, man. Well worth the effort.